Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 FS and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's tap on the settings. They are in the in the right upper corner. I mean this 3 bars icon, and here we've got the option timer. So we've got 3 different options of 3 and 10 seconds delay. So just let me tap on 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is immediately notified inside the shutter button. So let's simply tap on it, and now your device will count down from 10 or 3, I believe, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. As you can see, we've got an additional timer, let's say, which is right here. It is, I believe, connected with the nightlight. So first of all, let's turn off a regular timer, so this one. All you have to do is to tap on the 3 bars icon in the right upper corner and tap on off, and simply tap on this toggle here. So your device will quickly turn off this option, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.